So we are here on a runway celebrating Independence Day. The whole ultraviolet crew is here and we are kicking off our first ever exclusive test ride experience. And we have some really special guests joining us. Stay tuned to find out more. So of course we're going to be going a lot of ups and downs on the runway, cornering, handling and a whole host of other things planned out as well.
F77 is ready to take off. Attention please. Kindly clear the runway for the pilots. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Acceleration, ride, handling, braking, looks, the feel, the build quality, top class.
F77 because it's like flying an F16.
And she was smooth and, responsive, which was amazing because immediately you had the power on tap. So I think that made a real difference.
More perceived for me was accelerating. I could get the same feel, like the same kick which I get in aircraft.
I saw the specs of the bike. I was a little bit apprehensive that whether it will be achievable or not. But after doing the test ride, I was having no doubt.
Now that I don't have to muddle with all the gears in the shifts, the turns and even while stopping, actually, it feels really smooth. The mode especially, I'm in love with it. I think it's the next go-to bike for me at least.
The aviation industry is going Indian, automobile industry is going Indian, so why not such new concepts like the ultraviolet F77?
Like the Indian flag, let the F77 soar high and fly as fast.